Hello guys, today I am talking about two rivers. The each word in string like that. Your string have to Java. This is I am whole stack. Okay. Here two rivers. This is the original. This is the reverse. Reverse I and I रहेगा N हो जाएगा LL to F होगा. Okay. That's one. This is called reverse word. तो प्रोग्राम क्या होगा? राइट अ जावा प्रोग्राम टू रिवर्स each word in string. Write a title here because they have remember what are you doing. Okay, let's create a main method. Create a string str is equal to in store sorrow. Okay, passing the okay, creating another method. How to create object and how to call the method, that you know. This is a basic. And passing the str method, passing the str value. This is a variable and storing this is called value. Okay. Here is successfully passed. Then here using the two string method, first called split, second called substring, and third method will be reverse. Not using the substring, no need substring. Substring is called G starting from length, calculated by the length and passing starting 0 and 1. No need. Need only split and reverse. Okay, let's do it. First create a string word storing the all character in this split. Yes. Okay, string reverse word वर्ड में स्टोर किया था आपने, वर्ड को ले लेंगे इधर. अगेन टू क्रिएट स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर, स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर सॉरी स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर इन यस. ओके, यस वी डॉट रिवर्स. हमने रिवर्स कर दिया करेक्टर को और करेक्टर को इस स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करेंगे जो हमने कीवर्ड यहाँ पे बनाया था. ओके, वेरिएबल हमने क्रिएट किया था ऑलरेडी. ओके, एस बी डॉट टू स्ट्रिंग कन्वर्ट हो गया. हम रिवर्स वर्ड को रिटर्न कर देंगे ताकि हम मेन मेथड पर प्रिंट कर सकें. लेट्स रन द कोड. Okay, here will be written only developer because reverse word again to plus. First come I, reverse word stored I variable. Next come am, then reverse word store am, then next to next do concat. Okay, now we added the space. I am adding space again to run the program. Here we will got the output each word to reverse. Okay, let's see the full code. Here is a full code. Here you can see and write own identity. Okay, this is complete. All complete. Okay, thank you guys.